Hello. In this video, I am going to show you how you can change the settings of your calls. If you are not receiving calls from your Signal application, you can fix this problem. But for this, first you have to make sure that your Signal application is updated. To update your Signal application, you have to go to the Play Store and search for Signal. Here, if you see the option for update, you have to update your Signal application. Then go back. Open settings of your phone and look for apps and notifications. When settings of apps and notifications are open, you will see all the applications that is installed in your phone here. You have to look for Signal application. Then go to it. When settings of your Signal application is open, you have to go to the permissions. If you want to receive calls from your Signal application, you have to grant access to all of them. Then go back and go to the data usage. You have to make sure that these two bars are also on. Then you have to go to the notification settings here. To receive calls, you have to make sure that all options here are on, especially the calls one. Scroll down and look for the last option, which is about additional setting in the application. It will open the Signal notification settings. Here, you have to make sure that the notification settings of call is open. You can also change the ringtone of your calls here. So now you will receive calls from your Signal application now. But for this, you also have to make sure that your phone is not in silent mode. Thank you.